喺英文嘅地道表達裏面有一個字你一定要識，佢就係 bet。可能你唔知道，外國人經常會用 bet 打倒呢一個字去表達一啲肯定性。佢嘅意思呢，好多時會似我哋廣東話嘅一定啦，或者肯定啦。今日第一句學嘅英文呢，就係 I bet。I bet 就係我肯定或者我估，咁佢比較口語化同埋常見嘅。而第二句語氣比較重少少嘅呢，就係 I'll bet。I'll bet。佢嘅意思係我敢肯定或者我夠膽打賭。I'm so exhausted after that long meeting. I bet. She almost cried when she saw her hospital bill. I'll bet. 我哋亦都可以喺 I bet 或者 I'll bet 下面加一個完整句子，代表我哋對呢一件事嘅肯定性。I bet he overslept again. I bet she'll get promoted very soon. I'll bet he didn't start working on it until the last minute.I'll bet you're regretting not going to the concert. 如果我哋想再加強語氣，代表我超級肯定呢，我可以加個 you anything 喺個 bet 字後面嘅，即係 I bet you anything 或者 I'll bet you anything。文字上嘅意思呢，就係我乜嘢都夠膽打到，咁就似我哋廣東話嘅10成10係一個狀況。I'll bet you anything that it's a scam。咁 bet 呢一個字呢，亦都會有以下嘅表達方式嘅 ，Don't bet on it。Don't bet on it. Don't bet on it. 意思係唔好太肯定或者未必，咁亦都係好大機會唔會係咁。Maybe it's true love. Don't bet on it. 最後我哋有 you bet 或者 you can bet on it. You can bet on it. 呢兩句呢都係用嚟回應一啲問題嘅，代表一定、當然、肯定。Are you coming to my birthday party? You bet. Do you think she will believe his lies?You can bet on it。考下大家，我肯定佢星期一會請病假。如果用 I bet 可以點樣完成呢句句子呢？學到新嘢記住幫手 like、comment 同埋 share。想揾私人英文補習老師呢，就記住私信我。如果想支持我繼續拍片，或者想輕鬆地揾翻過去嘅影片呢，亦都歡迎訂閱我嘅 Patreon 平台。咁每個星期四呢，都會有會員專屬嘅影片嘅。